Hi, I'm Ryan from Landscapeplus, and today we're going to look at deleting programs from the Claber Duplo timer. So moving now on to deleting individual programs, you can see at the top there we've got programs 1 to 4 set. If you want to delete any of these, so let's say for example you wanted A3 deleted, you would shuffle along to program 3, you go to the closed screen, click enter, and you'll see the OK bottom right, and then you click the left and right button together, and you can see at the top program 3 is gone. I'll show you for program 1 for example as well, just to show you again. Go to the close program on 1, enter, left and right button together, and that deletes. So at the moment you've got B4 and B2 coming on together, so that's just the right hand side that would be running. Now to do a factory reset, if you wanted to start again, you just simply hold down the left and right button together for around 5 seconds and it should all zero off and you'll see everything delete. There you go. Hopefully you now know how to do a factory reset and to delete individual programs on the Claber Duplo timer. If you have any questions, just get in touch with the team.